exceptional enterprise model comes from a learning of more than 30 years with Ernst & Young, serving organizations from emerging to transnational, next generation kind of organizations. Ernst & Young really relates back to the entrepreneurial spirit within the community. And it's so evident that for past 20 odd years, we've been driving the agenda through the Entrepreneur of the Year Awards program. Very much in time that we are still, for the year, now collecting nominations. And the driving force behind this particular program is that every year that we consolidate the nomination forms, we go ahead doing the interview sessions, and that we are associated with the entrepreneurial organizations. We gather a lot of learning and insight as to how these organizations have evolved from an idea to large conglomerates as they are today. These 20 years of learning was summarized into a kind of a survey, and the learning has been consolidated in the form of the exceptional enterprise model. I thought I'll pick up this subject because it fits in so well and might be so relevant that you could relate back to every element of the 3x6 matrix which has got evolved out of this learning. More than 250 companies were interviewed, and the learnings that we've gathered have been categorized into the following. What actually is exceptional enterprise model, and as I mentioned, more than 250 odd market-leading businesses which grew from where you are currently, and many of you who have moved on to the next pedestal of growth in the entrepreneurial organization structure have really given a lot back to the society of the entrepreneurs. What we have to share is simply the intellect that we drew out of the survey. And it's in this current wheel that you can see that any and every organization, immaterial the kind of structure that they are and the business cycle that they are operating in, will and should be having the outer circle traits and values which they have created for themselves. And one and more of these particular components within the individual or an entrepreneur or a team together really creates that value for themselves to fight back the 6 challenges which is lying next in the yellow circle that you see. So very clearly, there has to be a vision, there is a resilience, there is teamwork, innovation, passion, leadership, integrity, quality, customer focus, and flexibility. I'm so sure that the room comprises of people, a lot of ideas, one or more as a combination, they have really got together to form an organization and an entrepreneur.